What should you optimize? Email open rates, CTR, click-through rates, or conversion rates? Well, in my opinion, all of them. And here is how. To increase your email open rates, you can warm your audience up in advance. Make sure they are ready to receive this email and take action. Another thing you can do is to send follow-up messages. They are extremely helpful. Here's the deal, we are all busy, we all need reminders. Something else you can do is to A/B test subject lines beforehand. Select 5 to 10% of your audience to A/B test email subject lines. To increase the click-through rates or CTR of these email campaigns, you can do the following. Use personalization based on real customer data if you have it. If you can, go the extra mile and create messages based on specific buyer personas. And if you can, and this is a lot better, go the extra mile and use augmented buyer persona. An augmented buyer persona is when you combine your buyer persona plus real data you have about these particular individuals.